Hey, my name is Alicia Yancey, and I am a freshman at Lincoln High School, and I also participated in the 7th annual mock trial competition. The people call Quinn Lou to the stand. Your Honor, may I approach the witness? In the mock trial competition, I played the head prosecutor. So what I liked about the mock trial competition was that it boosted some confidence. It instilled some confidence in me. It actually got me an address. That was a mission. It was fun. I met some new people, made friends.
My name is Braxton Falialili, and I was the defense lawyer for the Lincoln mock trial team. The thing I liked most about the mock trial was the experience of being in a real courtroom with the real judge and with a real case. And I would definitely recommend it to my friends because it's really good it looks good on a college resume, and it's a really good skill to have to speak publicly, to know how to get facts straight and to research.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I represent the people of the state of California. Respectfully, Adrian Vega's statements should be admitted into evidence. The night of the accident, when Officer Wright came to the defendant's house, he simply asked the defendant about the events of that night.
I'm Isaiah Harris. I was the pre-trial motion attorney for the prosecution on Lincoln High School's mock trial team. It was a great experience, and I had a great time while participating in the mock trial. I would definitely recommend it to any of my friends, any newcoming freshmen coming to the school, because it's a great experience.
My name is Christina Sparza. I played as a witness in the mock trial competition. It was a good experience. I got to hear from the judge.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Would you please tell us your full name and spell your last name?
Tony DeLuca, Luca. I went to the guest house to take a nap.
What happened after you woke up?
I heard a police radio and I saw red and blue lights. So I went outside to check it out.
And what did you see when you went outside?
The police officer,
And what did you discuss with the police officers?
I told him how Adrian was driving and how he might have hit something.
My name is Tom McCauley. I'm a senior at Lincoln High School, and I was a part of the Lincoln High School mock trial 2013. And I had the opportunity to play the witness for the defense team, Adrian Vega. It was a great experience, the critical thinking process, and putting the case together, knowing what to say and what not to say. We went against Scripps Ranch, La Jolla, Bishop, Point Loma, St. Augustine. Those are some of the schools that were there I attended. We did really well for our first time. This is our first year ever competing. I would like to encourage all the students at Lincoln High School to be a part of the law club so they can have the opportunity to be a part of the mock trial. It's a great experience. Participating in the mock trial helped me with public speaking and also networking, being at a lot of different schools, communicating with them, meeting new people. I would like to thank the Hornets for Life, the Stephen Pierce Foundation, Stephen Pierce, Ms. Blackman, our coach, and Mr. Beatty, who put all this together.
My name is Kathleen Chentalong, and I played the bailiff at the mock trial competition. And I learned a lot from the experience because as bailiff, I had to speak in front of the whole jury. At first, I was really nervous, but overall, I got more confidence in myself. It really inspired me to look into law enforcement.
Could you see the driver of the car? Who did you see driving? How did you know it was Adrian Vega? Can you describe the car that you say Adrian Vega was so recklessly driving the night of the accident?
My name is Esperanza Solis Perez, and I competed in the mock trial 2013 competition at Lincoln High School as a pre-trial motion defense attorney in the case of Adrian Vega versus the people. I began to really embrace the members of my community at Lincoln, but I also learned how to do that outside of my boundaries and step outside of my comfort zone. I find this a very, very triumphant moment for me in my life, and I feel like this is only a stepping stone to what I want to accomplish in the future, that being a criminal defense attorney in actuality. So I highly recommend your participation, even if it's not at Lincoln. For all the kids across the district, I would highly recommend your participation in this competition because the effort is worthwhile.
I am Dr. Esther Omagwe, lead principal, Lincoln High School. I want to begin by thanking Mr. Raymond Beatty our chairperson for the law program here at Lincoln High School. The district's effort is to prepare our students to be college and career ready. In an attempt to do that, Mr. Raymond Beatty has networked with the court and the law offices downtown in an attempt to provide exposure to our students on how the legal system works. We thank him for his support and look forward to his continued efforts in the years to come.
I'm Dr. Emma Martinez, principal of Lincoln High School, and I had the privilege of attending some of the mock trials. I was very impressed watching the students prepare for their parts, taking the lead and following through with all of the mock trial presentation, and in some cases we did very well for it being our first year, and I'm very proud of the work that they did.
I'm Ray Beatty. I teach business law and criminal justice here at Lincoln High School. I'm also the advisor for our law club and mock trial team. This year is the first year we've been able to compete in the mock trial competition, and our students did a great job. Having Stephen Pierce show up in my classroom and saying that he wanted to be involved with our mock trial team, and have Miss Sally Blackman as our attorney coach, were prayers answered. So we worked hard. We have students that were willing to commit the time and give us the dedication needed in order to properly prepare for this mock trial. We look forward to next year being a part of the same competition.